Hello everyone. We have started for the tablet coating. So in previous lecture we seen what is meant by coating, which are the different excipients are used as a coating materials, then which are the advantages or the need for the coating, then the type of coatings. Also we seen in detail about the procedure of the sugar coating. Okay, so the next type of coating is the film coating. So film coating involves the application of thin film of single or a mixture of polymer coat on the core, that may be tablet or the granule. Okay, as I said in earlier lecture, the coating can be done either on a granules or on a tablet. आपण ग्रॅन्युल्सना सुद्धा सेपरेटली कोट करू शकतो आणि नंतर त्यांचं कॉम्प्रेशन टॅब्लेट्समध्ये करू शकतो, किंवा एंटायर टॅब्लेट किंवा कॉम्प्रेस टॅब्लेटवरती सुद्धा कोटिंग केलं जातं. So in film coating it involves the application of thin film of polymers on a tablet surface. Okay, film coating साठी आपण different polymers either in a single or in combination use करतोय. So which are the additives in a film coating? First one are the film former. So it is the main component of the film coating and the polymer used to improve the mechanical strength and the aesthetic appeal. So film former are the polymers and which are the main component in the film coating. So polymer used for the film coating are hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, then hydroxyethyl methyl cellulose, carbovax, then polyethylene glycol 400, and the acrylic polymer, etc. Okay, so all these polymer either single or in combination are used as a polymer or the film formers. So both the hydrophobic and the hydrophilic polymers are used to produce the sustained release of the drug. Okay, so both the hydrophilic means which are soluble in the water and hydrophobic means which are solubilized in the organic solvent are used for the film coating. So the plasticizers are used to increase the flexibility of the polymeric film. So जी काही फिल्म आपण टॅब्लेटच्या सरफेसवरती फॉर्म करतोय त्या फिल्मला फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी येण्यासाठी डिफरंट प्लास्टिसायझर्स ॲड केले जातात. सो प्लास्टिसायझर्स लाईक ग्लिसरीन, देन प्रोपिलिन ग्लायकॉल, लिक्विड PEG that is liquid polyethylene glycol, and the castor oil are used, which gives the plasticity to the film. Then the solvents to dissolve all these polymers include the water, ethanol, methanol, ethyl acetate, acetone, and the chloroform. So either the solvent separately or in combination can be used. Again, the colors are added in this film coating material. So both the dyes and the lake color can be used in combination with the opaque agent to get the desired color shade. Okay, so either आपण वॉटर सोल्युबल डाईज यूज करू शकतो किंवा वॉटर सोल्युबल लेक सुद्धा यूज करू शकतो. और along with this color the opacifying agent like titanium dioxide are added to get the different shades and the opacity to the film. So what is the process of this film coating? Film coating is a single stage process and can be performed by pan coating or the fluidized bed coating. Okay, so film coating ही एक सिंगल स्टेज प्रोसिजर आहे. फिल्म कोटिंगसाठी आपण आयदर कोटिंग पॅन यूज करू शकतो किंवा फ्लुइडाइज बेड कोटर्स यूज करू शकतो की ज्याच्यामध्ये टॅब्लेटचं फ्लुइडायझेशन केलं जातं किंवा टॅब्लेट गेट सस्पेंडेड इन द एअर स्ट्रीम अँड द film coating material is sprayed on the tablets. Okay, so we've seen how the coating of tablet is done by using the pan coating. So pan coating or the pan consists of a metallic pan which are made up from the copper or the stainless steel. Again, it has a inlet for the hot air introduction. The tablet which are to be coated are placed in the coating pan and that pan is rotated by using a electric motor, and externally the coating solution is sprayed by using the different spraying equipments, and the tablet get coated. So the solutions of polymer are prepared in a water or a volatile organic solvent, and the solution is sprayed over the tablet that are rotated in the rotating pan. ओके, सिम्पली जे काही फिल्म कोटिंग मटेरियल आपण तयार केलेलं आहे किंवा सोल्युशन तयार केलेलं आहे ते टॅब्लेटच्या बेडवरती स्प्रेड केलं जातं. अगेन द हॉट एअर इज ब्लॉन इन टू द पॅन विच हेल्प्स टू इव्हॅपोरेट द सॉल्वंट. सो हे स्प्रेइंग करत असतानाच त्या पॅनमध्ये हॉट एअरसुद्धा इंट्रोड्यूस केली जाते आणि जे काही सोल्युशन आपण टॅब्लेटच्या सरफेसवरती स्प्रे केलेलं आहे त्याचं इझिली ड्राईंग होतं. सो द प्रोसेस इज कंटिन्यूड टिल अ गुड फिल्म इज फॉर्म ओव्हर द टॅबलेट. ओके, पूर्णपणे इंटॅक्ट हव्या असलेल्या थिकनेसची फिल्म तयार होईपर्यंत आपण हे स्प्रेइंग करत राहायचं आहे टू गेट अ डिझायर्ड फिल्म ऑफ द डिझायर्ड थिकनेस. So this is the simple procedure of the film coating. So this film coating has several advantages over the other type of coatings. So it is a single step process using the minimum amount of the coating material. Okay. Unlike the sugar coating, film coating is a single step process. So it requires less time as compared to the sugar coating. So only 2 to 3% increase in the weight of the tablet is reported, as we are forming a thin film over the tablet surface. So there is no much weight gain of the tablet, only 2 to 3% increase in the weight of the tablet. So the coating process is 95 to 100% effective with no loss of the polymer. Again, it is a less time consuming technique and not much labor is required. As it is a single step procedure, it requires a less time. Also, it does not require much skilled workers. The product cost is low because the material used for coating is quite cheap. Then the thin polymer coat does not mask the monograms on the tablet and retain the original shape or the outline of the core. Okay. As we are forming a thin film, so it cannot mask the break lines or any embossing or the monograms which are punched on the tablets. So they retain as it is after the film coating. Again, it protects the drug from atmospheric changes such as the light, air and the moisture. It protects the drug in the core of the tablet from the different atmospheric conditions, air, moisture and the light. Again, no waterproof coating is required before actual film coating. ओके, जसं की आपण टॅब्लेटमध्ये पाहिलं आहे, शुगर कोटिंगच्या आधी आपण त्याला सील कोट देतो आहे टू अवॉइड द कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑफ कोर ऑफ द टॅबलेट अँड द वॉटर. बट इन केस ऑफ फिल्म कोटिंग वी आर अप्लाइंग लेस अमाउंट ऑफ कोटिंग सोल्यूशन, so it does not require sealing of the core before applying the film coating material. Again, it has no adverse effect on disintegration of the tablet. Again, can be effectively used to modify the drug release by applying the different polymers. We can get enteric coated tablets or the control release tablet. Again, a wide range of substrate tablets, capsule, granules, powder can be film coated. Okay, we can do film coating on the powder particles, granules, tablet as well as capsules. Okay, so this is about the film coating. Then the next type of coating is the enteric coating. So enteric coating is given to the tablet in order to ensure that this tablet will not disintegrate in the stomach but pass through it and get disintegrated in the intestine. Okay, as I discussed earlier, enteron means it is the intestine, and the enteric coated tablet which get disintegrated and dissolved in the intestine and get absorbed by the intestinal wall. So enteric coating is given to ensure that the tablet get released or disintegrated in the intestine only and they bypasses the stomach. such tablet will not get disintegrated or dissolved in the stomach. So which are the reasons for the enteric coating? Why this enteric coating is done? First thing is the medicament produce the severe irritation in the intestine like aspirin. Okay, some drugs like aspirin which causes the gastric irritation. So to avoid the harmful effect of such drug on the stomach, it is better way to release that drug or absorb that drug in the intestine. So the drugs like aspirin bypasses the stomach. They will not get disintegrate or dissolved in the stomach, but they directly goes to the intestine where they get disintegrated, dissolved and absorbed. So the harmful effect of such drug is avoided or the prevented. Then the action of medicament is required in the intestine, that is the antihelmintic and the amoebocytes are required to be absorbed from the intestine to have the maximum effect at the site of parasitic worms and the protozoa. So certain drugs like antihelmintic drugs or the certain antiseptic or the amoebocyte drug which are to be has a local action in the intestine. So to achieve the local action in the intestine, such drug should get absorbed by the intestine. Again, the medicaments get decomposed or the destroyed by the acidic medium of the stomach. Certain drugs like erythromycin get disintegrated or get decomposed in the acidic pH of the stomach. So such drugs are need to be absorbed in the intestine. Then the drug absorption is better in intestine. Okay, so intestine has a number of receptors or carriers are there, so drug get easily absorbed in the intestine in a maximum amount. So to achieve a better absorption, the drug should get released and absorbed by the intestine. Also delayed actions are needed. When we have a delayed action of certain drugs, then enteric coating is done, or enteric coating as itself is known as the delayed action tablets. The next one is an ideal enteric coating material has the following properties, like there should be resistance to the gastric fluid. The enteric coating material should be resistant to the gastric fluid or the stomach pH. Then they should be non-toxic in the required quantity. ज्या कोणत्या अमाऊंटमध्ये आपण ते मटेरियल यूज करतो किंवा पॉलिमर्स यूज करतो दे शुड बी नॉन टॉक्सिक टू द बॉडी. अगेन दे शुड बी इकॉनॉमिकल और हैज़ अ minimum cost. Also ease of application without specialized equipment. Then compatible with the drug on which coating is done. Okay, the polymer should be compatible with the drugs present in the core of the tablet. They should not react chemically with the drug. Also formation of continuous film. The polymer used should form an intact film over the surface of the tablet. Again, ready susceptibility to the intestinal fluids. The polymer used for the enteric coating should be or should get dissolved easily in the intestinal fluid for the better absorption of the drug. Then next one is the process of enteric coating. Enteric coating is again a single step process like the film coating. Only difference is that we are using the enteric coating polymers for the enteric coated tablets. So first, the solution of enteric coating material such as salol, then cellulose acetate phthalate, shellac and its derivatives are prepared in a volatile organic solvent. Then this solution is spread over the tablets which are rotated in a coating pan. Okay, so tablets which are to be coated, they are first placed in a coating pan. After that, this polymer solution prepared in organic volatile solvents is spread on a tablet bed in a rotating pan. While doing this, the hot air is blown into the pan which helps to evaporate the solvent. So हे स्प्रेइंग करत असतानाच त्यामध्ये हॉट एअर ब्लोन केली जाते पॅनमध्ये आणि जे काही पॉलिमर सोल्युशन आहे त्यातल्या सोल्युशनचं इव्हॅपोरेशन होत राहते. So hence a film of enteric coating material is made over the tablets and the process is continued till the required number of coatings is applied. Okay, so ही process repeatedly follow करत राहायची आहे to get a film of desired thickness. Okay, so we've seen the three types of tablet coatings, that is sugar coating, film coating and the enteric coating. So you have to remember correctly which are type of polymers or the excipient used for the each type of coating. The next one is the differences between the sugar coating and the film coating. So first feature to differentiate between the film coating and sugar coating is the appearance after doing the film coating on the sugar coating. So appearance of tablet after film coating is it retain the contour of original core and usually not as shiny as sugar coat type. Okay, film coating केल्यानंतर जी काही टॅबलेट आपल्याला ऑप्टेन होते तिचा जो काही सरफेस आहे तो जास्त शायनी नाही आहे. बट इन केस ऑफ शुगर कोटिंग द राउंडेड विथ अ हाय डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिश. शुगर कोटेड टॅबलेट ज्या आहेत त्या जास्त पॉलिश सरफेस तसा आपल्याला मिळतो आहे. देन आफ्टर फिल्म कोटिंग only there is a 2 to 3% weight increase, but after sugar coating almost there is a 30 to 50% weight gain of the tablet. So in case of film coating the break lines are possible or the logos on the tablet are possible, but in case of sugar coating we cannot do the break lines or the logos on a tablet. Then film coating is a single stage procedure and sugar coating is the multi-stage process. So film coating require around 1.5, that is 1.5 to 2 hours, but for sugar coating we require much time which ranges from the 8 hours or longer than the 8 hours. So sugar coating is a lengthy or the time consuming process. Then in case of film coating we can adopt or achieve the controlled release of the tablet, but after doing the sugar coating it is not usually possible apart from the enteric coating. So these are the differences between the film coating and the sugar coating. Then the next point from this tablet chapter is the manufacturing defects in the tablet. So up to this we seen the formulation of tablet. In that we studied the different types of excipient used for the tablet processing. The next one is we seen the granulation or the type of granulation processes. Also we studied the tablet compression process and the different machines used for the tablet compression. The next one is we seen the coating of tablet. After this we will see the manufacturing defects in the tablet. टॅबलेटचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करत असताना कोणते कोणते डिफेक्ट्स त्याच्यामध्ये येऊ शकतात किंवा डिफिकल्टीज किंवा प्रॉब्लेम्स येऊ शकतात आणि ते प्रॉब्लेम येण्याचे रिझन्स काय आहेत आणि ते प्रॉब्लेम कशा पद्धतीने रिझॉल्व केले जातात. ओके, दॅट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो फॉर एनी क्वेरी यू कॅन आस्क मी ॲट एनी टाईम. येस, सो थँक यू फॉर युअर अटेन्शन.